Alright, so by now, this little thing here with the World Dog Money Saga with Black Widow Sound. Yeah, where the man pay a World Dog 4,200 US for dub plate from Squash. As you don't understand the whole story where it go, when I give a little breakdown. Initially, the man link World Dog because him a look dub. The World Dog him get to World Dog when I say I move like him a manager. Well, the man initially sent World Dog 1,300 US, which in him say Squash a charge $1,000 for the Ambala dub. And World Dog charge him 3 bills for the run up on the men's and knock it dub. So World Dog give him a dub and Squash send the dub. The man send $1,000 for Squash dub, 3 bills to World Dog. World Dog only will give Squash 5 bills. So him take 8 bills for himself. That greedy pussy hole. So what happened is this now, you know. When the man get it up, everything was going so fluent and quick. The man get confidence in a world in a thing. Not knowing say when the man send the other money them to World Dog in hope of getting more dub from Squash for play him sound. Squash never know say World Dog I collect money for dub. What Squash thought was only one dub. But there were more dubs to come because the man send the rest time money them to World Dog. But World Dog take. So when the man reach out to World Dog and realize him now get the communication like him used to, World Dog tell the man say him and Squash now deal. Until the man says Squash and World Dog is good, which in World Dog lie. So the man believes that World Dog I take him for pussy. And World Dog I tell the man say, oh, link Squash. So the man realize that World Dog go on the man page World Dog. Obviously anybody would. World Dog I tell the man say, oh, I show him a weak fence. Why the man never bought up Squash? Bear in mind, the man has Squash no dealings at all about no money and no dub plate. A World Dog. So that the force the man know if go make certain linkage. If he talk to Squash personally, the man get to Bobby Six. Bobby Six get him to Squash. And that's when Squash I realize World Dog I collect money in him name for dub. And the man them nah get them dub. You understand people? So that really go down. But this I think no. Another man they alone World Dog take money from and I hide from. World Dog take other sound man money and show them not come to the media with it. Because them currently a look for him forget about them money. We don't know what them are going to do him but them want about them money. Thief in boy World Dog. Give back the man and them money. World Dog thief a man of weed, you know. £9 of weed and 15 bills US in a people. Yeah, me get the file I chew me no want to talk about him thing like, you see me I say? Yeah, and multiple people look for World Dog, you know? I say this because them never say it, you know. You know, say Swiss Lee when get page in our club about the money that World Dog take away. Swiss Lee shake and tremble like a leaf. Yo, father, me talk to the man all the time, dog, to top take people money. Yo, me pee on the back. And the man them tell Swiss Lee, say, nah, we not do nothing. And we don't want the money from you. Make your friend know, say, if you run back with money, when I run up and down and I hide. Swiss Lee, don't come see a lie me until me get the file. But you afraid of World Dog, make you don't come talk. You never know, say me know. So the man them correlate in a one bomb buckler club. I make you know, say make World Dog know, say if you run back them blood clot money. You afraid to come talk Swiss Lee. Come talk Swiss Lee. Me know say you get page. Me know the man them pages, so hear what people. I'm not going to divulge in too much because I say it done up on the media so you don't hear everything. I'm just giving you a little snap. But I don't want voice note people. I'm going to show you what. When you want to hear on TikTok, I know voice note. Watch this.
Yeah, Squash that do business, eh? Eh?
But you may ask me say, put boss on stage and my father, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to talk to you face to face. You see me? You say anyway you see me dog, you gotta take your money out and pack it with you. I say, we just want to sit down and talk to you. So I tell you something, I come here Wednesday, because look on my passport. So I want to sit down and talk to you, me G.
Yo,
man.
no man, I'm money me a deal, man. Me no in a talking. Me I try to show you say.
So that me I try to say you say your money a deal, me G.
So you I go have my money because everywhere we have the place governed. So what you say? Me I get my money, that me ask. So where you say I go on?
Yeah, me G, you say I fall for your money, me G. Just fall, man. You notice all now, me just a defend myself. You notice all now, me no disrespect you with you.
Me not disrespect
You
you, but
notice
you
all
pre no,
now.
no, but you pre no. Listen, me tell you. Me tell you me stay. See? Why listen this argument? Me not put, you feel like me no need to put no badness to you about no rare. If you defend my money, me I make you know straight up what time it is because I hear it stand and no. Me not supposed to call and either. Remember good in a man. When I send on my food, you know, me never did a hitch. When you go to buy my advice all the song for me send you money, yo, you notice, me not even set you say, yo, take off area fight. Me just spare your money because I so full with badness there. See? When me go to buy my send you all of them the money, then I want thing and you fi do it right. You say to me, say, yo, then we hold on pan the G, rare, this and that. When he free up, saying, he say, yeah man, no problem. Me did there wait. After me did there wait,
Yeah.
whole time me not hear nothing what happen. When me a call you not answer. But look me see up on the media, me I say, no man, you take a thing for some joke business. Me I tell you.
Yeah. But me I say to you, say is, you say no food for dub plate, for me. Me no owe you no song. I'm gonna show you a pre. And you see, what me not like, you're in a minute back. So me just make you know, me G. You tell me, say you govern the place, me G. And I'm afraid to come a yard, no my father. Me just never have no need to come a yard. But true, my little son born now, and me I come christening and come pick up my next son down. And so me I say, me need to link with Black Widow, cause I know me no disrespect you. All you tell me say you govern the world and
No,
everything and where.
no man.
You know, so me can
Listen
defend
up.
myself too.
No, then yeah, everybody can defend themselves, Papa. That me I try to tell you. Every single soul. Everybody in them time, yeah. That's why me I try to show you say, yo, certain things where you the meds me no depend but that doesn't my money me I defend because again.
No, I'm telling you when I go deep.
Yeah.
Me tell you when I go deep, you say, me have to watch me head back where you owe money.
No, because yo, hold on, listen this and I'm sure this a prayer now. That me I try to show you say. Listen good man, listen this and
Whenever hear me name in a money situation.
yo, listen good on that me want to show you say no. Listen, this is argument. When me I say no man, the youth are really take the thing for joke thing. But ask about you in a place here and I say yo that the man they ever in a money tanglings with man and sit and me I say yo, I make you not just run me food man cause you pray no. Me even set to you say. But I'm sure me even for sure say man all a pray different. Me say yo, you link the man and Vice the song them. Make him money good. Just Vice sound song. Me say yo, you link the man. You tell me if you link him man. So me link Squash I tell me brawling say yo. He just say yo, we don't me tell you this me no get no money from World Dog. He on my phone, me them on my phone. He me no get no money from World Dog. He say yo, you see, he remember the one song when in the Vice Ambala. You run the food. I remember when me run that the food down your door, you do. Quick and fast. That's why man never hit for send on the money. You see me I say, man never hit for send on the money. And then say, yo, me I link you, me nah, you nah take no, you nah make back down link. And you know how we get to, me see all squash to bumbo clot. After when you say any man nah to link. So me say, you know, say, look you to take me thing for some pussy whole thing. I mean, y'all tell me one time to go up on media. Yo, we don't do anything there, pa. Me hardly go up on the blood clot media for sure. You. I don't feel thing them there. I don't mind thing them there, general. Me no, you know, listen to me. Me ask you one question and you can't answer me. Listen to this argument. Me and you that do business, see? Me and you that do business. And then, bam, now. No, listen, you talk about half. I mean, half of them, and my money me the different. Me continue to tell you because you the straight from the whole thing is this. Me ask you one question and tell me if me wrong. Say, for example, you want book the sound, see?
Yeah.
And then when you go somebody and send your money to me, say, yo, you know what? Deal with Black Widow them over something. Me I talk about me as the man with the on the side, see? And then when I check out, you know, you can't get no son. Who you supposed to go to? Now the man where you send the money, man. Me not supposed to call Squash. Remember say, you know, how me get, listen.
Me not go about things, so. Black Widow, me not, Black Widow, hear me say, my G. I hear my father.
Yeah.
I hear my G. Me now go back and forth with you.
Right.
You know what me I go do? We are going to solve with my father. Me I go call you Wednesday, man. You see me, my G? Yeah.
Again,
Me
like,
call you Wednesday, man. my
like
father.
me say, as me say, straight up me and tell you exactly as it is. I just my money me I defend. Yeah, I tell you straight up, I just my money me I
Yeah, my
defend.
father, so me not hear you, man.
Because I hear the pre now, no. Let me show you me stay. Because I'm like say we broke and hungry. Let me tell you straight up, we not broke and hungry. Me can't deal with the system way, me can't deal with the bad way. But me I tell you say I just my money me they deal with pa. I mean me not come to about no badness this and that, cause me not preach the thing that we just do what we have to do.
That's true.
Yeah. Me I tell you honest
That's
truth.
true.
Because I hear the pre now.
Me I tell you, say, we just left it alone, my God, man.
You see me I say? You say yo, you and the man now link up and me look to Bumbuckler like me see you do one live and the whole on after me be I say yo, then the world dog and six that them me I say yo watch ya. They must be good again. Me never tell nobody say any man no good neither. How you show me. You see me I say, and if one man rate you so and say yo you and my virgin rare this and that and you go subam no yo me no money thing going on cause you hear the pre now no. What money we in your hand for deal with certain things.
You know why me I do this?
Yeah.
You want me be straight with you? Why
Yeah.
me I do this?
Yeah.
You want me be straightforward with you? Why me I do this?
Yeah.
Because as a dog, me come to you and show you a prayer and me, you're still in my eye every blood clot DMG. That's why me I do it. Me I be straightforward with you now. I know you know me come out every day and me. So me say, yo, you know what? Alright then, my sister, alright then, me look like a weakling then. Because I'm me. You know what? I left it make it be. I saw me feel my father.
Yeah.
You link me in my job. I just say, yo, hero. Oh, every time you link me, if you call me 2 times and you get me G, you send voice note and send. Like, you get corrupt.
No man, but yeah, listen good on. You know, you not call me. Alright, me actually sitting. Yo, let me tell you what me know say yo. Yeah, move different. Yo, you know saying man, you just start link and me call up on the phone and then with the, if me call you today and you get your call back the next day. I saw you used to deal with the thing. You there on live, same way I me check in. Hold on man. You there on live, same way I me check in and you say, boy, we don't send cross sitting there, me they do it. I saw it. Then me I say, no man, this a youth that just change son and it's a different way youth are made. Cause here, listen what me they say to you say. You see if you ain't go subam now, yo, me know say you squash the link up. Me know that. Saying me a couple of artists they link to. And yo, me see me go sabam. Me get money for man from Blood Clot, California to same way. We want to play it same way. For artists so me used to where they are in foot when me there Spanish Town. Saying? And waiting happen. Bam me have the food same way and me even run it back. And waiting happen. Me go sabam and link artists and say yo send me 2 songs now. For the sound rare this and that now. And waiting happen. Remember, you know, me get him and name money now, me use it. See? And when me use it, him and then the pressure me see him and thing, you know, me just run back them food. And then say, yo, you know, so me I go want he sang them with the same way, rare, this and that. And we think me do. Me do but collect no money for no man. Because a bam, link up who me fi link up and do what me have to do. I saw it thing go. You see, if you and I make me know straight up say, yo, you go on and on with you. You know, say right now, me I go try to do the song them for you. Me go link that them and me not get them the energy there pa. Me I tell you straight up.
No, we don't. Me tell you want me tell you say. No, we don't. You want me tell you say here, you know say. We don't know say me fuck up the money. And yeah. And me I go run back his song them. And that you want me tell you. I mean I tell you for months now. Me not go tell you that with you. I mean I be real with you on the phone. That's why my voice note this morning. You never me get up on my voice.